smashed, one barely recognisable after colliding head-on at speed.
Just this boom, like a big tyre blown up, you know, I've heard that before on trucks.
This family's Easter road trip ended before it began, their Toyota Hilux ending up in a ditch on Nelson Bay Road at 9:30 this morning.
It appears it's crossed to the incorrect side of the road and had a head-on collision with a garbage truck travelling in the opposite direction.
A man, 2 women and 2 children had to be delicately freed from the crumpled ute.
I came out to have a look and I could see something was going on. And I could hear help, you know, someone obviously there.
The SES and Fire Rescue New South Wales worked together with paramedics to extricate a female patient in her 30s. She was treated for pelvic and multiple limb injuries.
She was then flown to John Hunter Hospital in a serious condition, while the other 4, as well as the garbage truck driver, were taken there by road. Hours into the long weekend, police say the crash is a reminder of how things can go wrong. Thankfully, no lives were lost.
We've got a traffic operation on at the moment and there's a lot of traffic on the road, a lot of people travelling, and it just highlights how dangerous it is. We just ask people to take extreme care. We want them to get home and to get to their destination safely.
Samantha Pote, NBN News.